Hello students, here we discuss about word equation, skeletal equation and balance equation. How to write skeletal equation and balance equation from word equation. So this is word equation. Hydrogen and chlorine gases react to yield means produce hydrogen chloride. So you should know the basic formula of hydrogen, chlorine and hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen is diatomic in nature, chlorine is diatomic in nature. Now I will tell you how many diatomic molecules you should know. Hydrogen, H2, Br2, Cl2 chlorine, I2 iodine, O2 oxygen, N2 nitrogen and F2 fluorine. So these is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These are halogens. This is oxygen gas, this is nitrogen gas and this is hydrogen gas. All these are diatomic. Now we'll go for our question that hydrogen when combined with chlorine, so H2 plus Cl2 gives HCl. So this is unbalanced equation. So this is called skeletal equation. Unbalanced equation is called skeletal equation. Now what we with proper formula we have to write. Okay, now we have to balance. So for balancing the reaction, what we have to do, these two are reactants. So write down hydrogen and chlorine. How many? 2 hydrogen, 2 chlorine. So we write down this. And here H and Cl, both of them are present over here, but they are one in number, 1 hydrogen, 1 chlorine. So we multiply this hydrogen by 2 and so chlorine is also multiplied by 2, so both of them will having 2. So what we have to do, HCl should be multiplied by 2, so it will be H2 plus Cl2 gives you twice of HCl. Now see, both these are in gaseous condition, H2 gaseous, chlorine gas, so HCl is also in gaseous position. But when we are pouring water into it, so it will give hydrochloric acid. So H positive and Cl negative ions will be there, bond will break and we will get hydrogen chloride acid. Now it is acid. Okay, it is known as aqueous medium. Aqueous means water. Okay, this is gas, but when we pass HCl gas into water, so it will convert it into hydrochloric acid. Now hydrogen and bromine gas react to produce hydrogen bromide. So you should know hydrogen gas formula, bromine gas, and HBr hydrogen bromide. HBr hydrogen bromide. So this is gas and HBr in aqueous medium it will form H positive and Br negative. So this structure will be there. Ionic form hydrobromic acid. It is, we are calling it hydrogen bromide, and here it is acid, hydrobromic acid. Hydrobromic acid. Clear to you? What is the difference between them? One, when we are not pouring water, so it will be gas. When this gas is passed through water, it will convert it into hydrobromic acid. Now H is 2, Br is 2 reactant side. Here H and Br 1, 1. So multiply this by 2. So this is balance equation.